Hey, Bear. Good job.
I'm gonna throw it. Bro, I'm gonna put a hole through your wall. Okay. Bam.
Who hasn't had a makeup fail on their first try, huh? Don't be quick to laugh at her.
This one that wants to smash my sprinkler also finally realized he could drink from it.
You stuck in the hammock again? Oh my god.
He held it together as long as he could.
Serves you right, jackass.
Are you really the same species as Abyssinians? Come on, don't embarrass them like that.
Where you at? Oh, there you go. There you go. This one. Come on. You got it. You got it.
Looks like someone wandered off from the park and ended up on the soccer field.
Y eso que es visible, además, el cansancio en los hombres de las...
Great! Kiddo thinks the clinic is his home and the vet is his servant now.
Thank you. So nice.
Move over, Messi. This pup's training to be the next big thing.
What happens when you wake up 5 seconds before the alarm goes off?
That's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Aww.
The machines aren't taking over. The Frenchies are...
Okay. The heel. Nope.
Oh, he's biting me.
Take notes, guys. This is the only thing a alligator bites gently.
Gus, back up.
It wouldn't be right if kittens lived together without having some fun wrestling matches.
She can see where she's going. Classic Western movie standoff. Neither side wants to blink first. Someone has officially been demoted from pet to luxury furniture. The official shift report reads 100% being the best boy on the force.
Proof that with care and trust, every vet visit can be a happy one.
Husky's finally in his natural element, a fluff ball in a snowball.
After miles in the ocean, the seal decided this girl was the safest pit stop.
Buddy is actually practicing classic predatory moves on his own kind. Buddy's pranks on Doggo are too weak for a jump scare, but too dramatic to be casual teasing.
What are you doing?
Boss energy is when actions over words and everyone must obey.
Protective big brother over here.
Little Prince and the man who once said he didn't want dogs.
Y era que se chicharrón rallado en una fuente, a eso le echaron el huevo. Así como...
A baby rhino forgets he's a giant in the making and just acts like a joyful kid.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Don't do it. Don't touch it. Yeah, that hurt.
Literally, he's fast. He's so fast.
Ma.
Some friendships require a lot of patience.
Not the reindeer acting like an oversized puppy. Somewhere, Santa's missing his most affectionate employee.
Horsey is teaching us how to slide and dine.
When it comes to begging for food, it's basically cat's instinct and unconditioned reflex.
Oh my gosh, look at you. Why are you attacking me? Baby bear attack. The way he walks around is so...
This furball must be incredibly gentle so that our baby feels this comfortable interacting with him.
Okay, okay.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Hi, Papa. You want to take a bath? Do you want to take a bath?
Do not.
You what? What? My cover, nigga? Cover, boy?
Dinosaur. Don't even think about it. Just name it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Velociraptor.
When your enthusiasm exceeds your coordination,
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
Banana. Banana.
Under the pit.
Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
How old is he now?
8 months.
Wow.
He's still ain't fully grown.
Really?
Hi.
This is the most adorable gang activity I've ever seen. When the pitch calls, he turns up with a special scheme that only Orange Fur can use.
Kick this turkey in the head. Go, Lane, go! Run him over! Run him over! Maybe he'll stop. Go!
Oh! That's a good one. That should go far.
Wow. Try again. Wow.
Yeah, that's my boy.
If I were you, I'd never get bored with watching this every day.
The parrot knows the cat's vibe so well that this intense game is no big deal.
You want a cat to catch mice, but these days they probably prefer company instead.
Total mum vibes right here. If a gentle wake-up call doesn't work, it's time for extreme measures.
These animals are about to make your day a lot better.
Oh!
Vai. Vai. Ela foi, vai. Vai.
Damn, that shit feels good.
Vulture is like, who are you? Do you mind if I pick your bones?
Jackson, sit. Wait. Ready.
This is a sign of stress from lying around too much.
There you go. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! You are a smart goat.
Tell her about it and she makes me feel better. Chili Pepper, I had a rough morning. Can I have a hug?
Huh?
Me trying to stay focused during a meeting. Look, it's dog squared. Mathematics in the wild.
Morning. Good morning.
Killing two birds with one stone. That's why they say lazy people are the most creative.
For some reason, concrete is this cat's favorite thing.
Are you so happy, Parker?
Come on, Beth. Come on, get up here.
Every big jump starts with a little courage.
Come on, Beth. Come on, get up here. Get up here. Oh, you almost got it. Come on.
Mickey. Mickey, me does that here?
Einfach geändert. Sie Larve. Die Larve, wenn grün ist.
Sit. Please, good boy. Oh my God.
This video was made possible by cute faces, bad decisions.
Well, you want to go inside?
Sometimes the obstacle is purely emotional.
Your daughter just went in. The entrance is right there.
Have you ever seen a dog comfort nurse a full-grown cat? This has been happening since he was 8 weeks old. Why?
This is why you always scout your escape routes. Bravo!
Wow, this feels amazing. Wait, keep going. There you go. Don't make me remind you again. Doggo really empathizes with the struggle of being furless and Sphinx's need for grooming.
Waiting for the precise moment to let out a loud hee-haw and end this piece.
Put on the jogging.
If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, then you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands.
Human, I didn't sign up for a dramatic pause. Throw already.
We live in a place that has, wait for it, wild horses just chilling, walking around on the street. Look, mountains, horses. Hi, guys.
Survival instinct wins over logic. The cranes are still identifying this mysterious creature.
It's the best one. It's like literally.
Dream of starring in a high-fashion shampoo commercial like...
When you're already lying in a cozy and warm spot, you've already got a huge advantage.
He's having a coronary. Oh. Oh, you're so excited.
From the puppy's perspective, this was a success.
Nope.
Oh, baby, come here.
What you doing, bud? What you doing, silly boy?
Every bossy furball needs a patient bestie who's willing to put up with their nonsense.
Bro saw a cartoon dog. Travel tip for a baby capybara. Mom's back is the safest furry in town.
Molly, kiss. Molly, kiss. You are my smart boy. He doesn't want to play with you, Vicky.
Sometimes we all make things harder than they need to be.
I'm literally throwing up.
That moment, he realizes the scent he's been waiting 9 months for is finally here.
He's trying so hard to figure out what he's looking at.
Okay, just... What is this? Give me a hug. Give me a hug, I need this.
Thanks for joining the wildest cuddle session ever.
Tiny bodies, unlimited chaos. He truly believes all love in this house belongs to him.
I can't believe you.
Oh my god.
Come on, dude. Give me a minute.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? What you looking at?
Bro discovered affection and immediately got addicted. Fold really said, I live here now.
Definitely not.
Choosing a couch gets a little more complicated when you have a cat.
Nope. Okay.
When the turtle wanted the girl to put the phone down and enjoy the real moment.
Our smart buddy hits different. Moving house feels effortless than ever.
Yes, you can.
This is why animal videos never get old.
Let me see him. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you.
Someone definitely deserves an English proficiency certificate.
You love him so much.
I can't really explain it, I just have to show you what it looks like.
Place. Sit. Place, good boy! Oh my god! Are you serious?
Action-packed thriller. Mission: avoid the final boss syringe.
What do you have? Come here. Come here. Leave it. Wilbur. Wilbur. Come. Come. Good boy. Come here. Come.
I love you. I love you. Oh, God. Oh, hi, Maggie. Hi, Maggie. Hi. Did I just catch you? Oh my goodness, I caught that on camera.
Go ahead. Go, go. Yeah, get it, get it.
Corso. Whoop.
Huh? Fetching? Nah, that's too mainstream. This pup is too sophisticated for that.
Aaron, you can work with him.
Oh, that's a good kitty, I say as I pet on Kitty. No, I'm evil Kitty, said evil Kitty.
And if you're wondering which cat breed loves water the most, it's definitely the Bengal.
Tiny body, huge determination. The pup really said, "You're not going anywhere."
A good day is a good day no matter what you're rolling in.
This furball is literally a host for imitation disease in humans.